Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find Facebook Messenger use link. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video. For the matter, first step would be for you to access a particular Facebook Messenger, aka Messenger app, in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna look like right over there, right? So if you simply want to copy the link and find the link, and you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three horizontal and on top left corner of the screen, tap on the settings icon, right? This will open up the settings area here in this section, and you can say here in this active status and username just given right over there, right? If you tap on it, this will show you your username link, and you can say this copy link option, edit username. If you want to simply edit username, or before copying you want to edit, you can tap on this edit username, and you can edit your username however you like once, and then tap on the save, and done. You will have your saved username. Simply go back and again tap on this username option and tap on this copy link. Now you have copied your link to yourself. Now you can go back, simply search anyone in any of your social media or your contacts, go ahead, paste the link and share them. They will be able to find you with that link just right over there. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.